Yeah, sorry, I should have shouted, do not climb up that hill, because boy, that is a trek. A little winded. All right, so behind me, you see the monument for the Grand Army of the Republic, or the GAR post. The Grand Army of the Republic was a Civil War veterans organization which started nationally in 1866. Sioux City's post formed in 1879 and was originally named for Captain Benjamin F. Smith, who was stationed here with General John Cook in 1862. Not the Cook of Cook Park, different guy. The Smith post grew quickly, and in 1885, a second post was organized here, named for Mexican-American War veteran and Civil War Battle of Gettysburg hero, Winfield Scott Hancock. In 1892, declining enrollment in the organization brought about the merger into one single post, the Hancock Post 22. Membership peaked in 1902 with 205 veterans. By 1928, there were 61 members, and by 1938, only 3 Civil War veterans remained in Sioux City. Michael Hawk was the final member, and with his death on November 17, 1940, the Sioux City Post ceased to exist. Nationally, the GAR ended in 1956. As you look at the stones up here, you'll notice some of them look much newer than the others. This section was recently revitalized by one of our volunteers, actually, and the Daughters of the American Revolution, curing some of the vandalism, cleaning up a lot of the stones, and putting in stones for soldiers that were buried here that previously had no markers at all. So as you're seeing these stones, and you're seeing some ones that look more white than others, that is the reason for that. So that's the GAR. Up where Tom is buried this thing. No, I'm just kidding. Or buried the guy who built this thing, Harry O. Woodruff, who was born in New Jersey in 1861. He was a pioneer in electric plant installations and was brought to Sioux City in 1889 to build an electric plant and install wiring in the 1890 Corn Palace. In that Corn Palace, he built his own little decoration of his own, so a little something for his company, all decorated in corn, and that is the picture you see here that he made in the interior of the 1890 Corn Palace. After this accomplishment, Woodruff decided to stay in Sioux City, and with L.G. Nielsen, started the Sioux City Electrical Supply Company. So, way up there is H.O. Woodruff. All right, we're going to walk a little ways now